I'm Halie French. Happy Fluid Art Friday. Today's acrylic pour is one in a series for batch number 2 of thermal imaging. I really hope you enjoy the pour. And if you're ever interested in purchasing any of my artwork or having your own painted pet portrait made by me, please visit my website, haliefrenchartwork.com. And if you're interested in the video behind me, that is the original thermal imaging video, if you want to give that a watch. Thank you so much. Hello again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. Check out my next video with that button. Don't forget to like and share. And I hope you have a great day and stay safe. Thank you.